Hello everyone, and welcome back to another quick tutorial from RR Consultancy Services, where we simplify your academic tasks, one tip at a time. In today's video, we'll show you how to set up column-styled writing in Microsoft Word, perfect for newsletters, brochures, or magazine-style documents. Let's get started. First, highlight the text you want to format. Then, go to the Layout tab on the top menu. Click on Columns, and you'll see options like 1, 2, 3, left, and right. Select 2 for a classic double column look, or click More Columns to customize the number, spacing, and line between columns. Word will instantly split your text into neatly organized columns, just like in a newspaper. That's it. Stylish, structured content in seconds. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to RR Consultancy Services for more smart word tricks and productivity hacks.